Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. As you can see, we only have 2 kits here, which means a pop mystery, and this one is epic. Everyone's gonna love it and I'm so excited. If you don't get it, you're gonna have really intense regrets. I'm just letting you know now. I warned you. So let's go ahead and get into the releases. These will all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. First things first is we do have 2 character sheets. This is 106 and this is 107. We have Moana and Belle. Super cute. Then we also have a new character for this week, which is Crying Scribblers, available in the normal 6 options. And aren't they so cute? But I definitely need these because either crying laughing or just crying sad. We need some crying stickers. The next thing we have is the color of the week, which I have done like a black color. It's like a little lighter than black. It's more of like a dark charcoal. It's such a versatile color, especially going into spooky season. So you have the normal 13 sheets here, which you could either buy individually or you can purchase as a bundle. And yeah, I just think that this is a color that will really be great for Halloween, but also anytime any kit that has black in it or you want to add black to kind of give it a pop of color. I think it's super fun. So again, there's also the normal 6 Scribbler options that you can buy a la carte. And I just really wanted some for the Halloween time. So those will be available Wednesday through Sunday as per usual. The next thing that we have is we're also going to be restocking, because this keeps selling out the same weekend. I want to make sure everybody gets their hands on it, is the 5 Misfit mini kit bundle. Sorry, 4 Misfit mini kit bundle. And these are Misfits, and this is just an example of what you could get. But I know whenever I like restock them, a lot of people just want to see an example. So this is Evermore mini kit, Bloom mini kit, Baby Magic mini kit, and the Darla mini kit. Again, these are Misfits. You could tell because they have a foil freebie with them instead of the regular freebie. And again, this is a bundle of 4, and we will have that available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Then moving on to the foil bundle for this week, and let me put on my little flashy light to show you, because this is a gorgeous foil color. And again, another kind of thinking of spooky season. You can see it best here. Let me focus. It's like a chunkier glitter. So we have like a regular black sparkle that we use, and then there's this more like sequiny sparkle. This is with the flashlight on, but it also just kind of looks black. So this here is the confetti version 2 foil bundle. So you have the normal 6 boxes with the header overlays, 2 pages of those, 2 pages of bougie. Then you also have the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and the bottom washi. And I'm obsessed with this. I think it is going to look so good with so many kits. Even the next kit that I'm going to show you, it's going to look so good. Anything that you could use black foil with would be perfect with this, and especially with that sparkle, it's going to be gorgeous. The next 2 kits are both actually all kits this week, I guess, then are exclusive. These 2 are reformats. This one has been asked to be reformatted for years, and I was just like, I don't know if there's enough art and stuff like that, like to be able to make it into so many boxes, because whenever I initially did this art, which I think was maybe 4 years ago, I wasn't doing as many full boxes, but I think I made it work. So this here is Game Day, and I asked whenever I did the new art if y'all still wanted this, and everyone was like, yes, please. I feel like they're very different. This one is very greens, browns, and I think it is just super nice, and I still feel like the art is gorgeous, and I did rearrange kind of the boxes, and I think it just looks gorgeous. Like, I would use this again. I think it'd be really cool with the black foil, or if you have the dark green foil, matte bronze, matte silver, any of those foil colors would be really pretty. I actually have like a brown foil coming out soon. That would be really nice with this as well. But here are the full boxes. Again, this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And then I also did some new papers for this, just to kind of give it updated feels. You have the extra boxes there with the balloons. And then I just did like a pattern with the like pom-poms and put that there, which I thought would be really cute for a quote box. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is the football doodles and the colors of the kit, which I thought was very cute and very useful. And I feel like even after you're done using the kit, you could just throw those into your like doodle section, sports section, and use those. So it will come in Ultimate and Mini, of course. And then the add-on options, you do have the doodles as well as the label, ombre, functional, and then also the fashion option. And between the kit and the fashion, there is the 6 normal fam options there as well. So that is game day, which I will let you know that it took me about 700 years to remember what the name of the kit was when trying to find it. The next kit here is called Western. I actually recently used this kit. I don't think that you will see it yet. It's funny because I'm actually caught up on Plan With Me's, and I went ahead and like pre-made my schedule. And whenever I'm like doing a Plan With Me real time, like for this week that is past, I'm like scheduling them for like mid-October, which is kind of wild, but like fun because I like have them scheduled. But this is already done. I guess I can show you a little sneak. I think is it in this planner? No, it might be my other planner. Nope, it's in my first half of the year, which is not accessible currently. But anyways, this is the Western kit. This was the mystery. I think it was September mystery of last year. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Kept the boxes pretty much the same. And I used autumn tie-dye from Planet Hannah. I feel like gold or silver, matte bronze, matte silver, copper. Any of those colors would be really pretty with this kit. And I just love it. I think it's gorgeous. It's just a great general kind of like old-timey Western kit. But also, if you have like watched that, it also has like Westworld nods with just the characters. So I think they also just kind of look like general Western characters. But if you've seen Westworld, has those vibes, which are super cute. I especially love the fashion people in this thing. They're so fun, especially kind of like an older guy. You don't see that too much in kits. So I did use this for Father's Day, which I think is kind of fun. Also comes in a mini kit. And then add-on options, you have the label. There is also label 2 as well as label 3. Kind of like comes like a little bit brighter and colorful with those two. Then you have functional, you have the doodles, you have the ombre, and then fashion. There was just another box that I couldn't fit, which is the train box. And there was another one too, but I had to make some choices. And then also you have the hands with the fans. So lots of boxes here. And we just love it. And I was very excited to use it. I think it turned out gorgeous. And then last but not least is the Pop Mystery. I'm telling you, if you don't get it, like you're going to have some regrets. Because I feel like everyone knows somebody who likes this for the most part. And if not, it's just really cute. So for those who don't want to see the full boxes, I'm just going to show you the colors of it. So those are the colors. So you have the 4 main colors and then the add-on option. As far as the collection goes, it will have Ultimate, Mini, Label 2, Doodle, and then Functional, Ombre, and then there's like extra boxes. They're not necessarily fashion, but have like the vibe because it's like characters. Those are going to be your hints, and it's very popular today, but also is very popular in the 90s. So I don't know when it originated. I can Google it just for if you want an extra hint. It originated in 1995 or 1996. One of those years. 1996, February. So those are your hints. And if you want to know what it is, I'm going to give everybody a chance. Thank you for watching. Everything will be live Wednesday. Talk to you later. But if you want to see what it is, I'm going to show you right now. Ready? I'm going to give you a little sneak. Are you excited? Because I'm excited and I think it is so cute. I definitely will be using this in my planner because Bennett has been very into this and I just think it is so cute. So that's everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new release video. That Pop Mystery will only be available Wednesday through Friday. So if you want to get your hands on it, buy some extra copies because it is so cute. It's one of those kits I feel like when you use different foils and different kind of foil combos, it's going to look different. That's everything. And I will talk to you on my next one.